I'll tell you why Alpha Centauri could be our next home, and what that would mean for the future of humanity. The search for a new home for humanity has been a topic of great interest in recent decades, and Alpha Centauri has emerged as one of the most promising places to establish a human colony. The question is, what makes this star system so special, and what would it mean for our species to settle there? The answer lies in its location and composition. Alpha Centauri is a triple star system located about 4.37 light-years from Earth, making it relatively close in astronomical terms. This proximity makes it an ideal place to send probes and eventually humans. Space exploration and the search for alien life is one of the most advanced fields in recent decades. Thanks to it, we have been able to discover extrasolar planets and star systems that may harbor life. Alpha Centauri is one of them, and its study has aroused great interest among scientists and space enthusiasts. Alpha Centauri is a system of 3 stars, Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri. The first is similar to the Sun, the second is slightly cooler and smaller, and the third is a red dwarf. The composition of this star system is very interesting because it offers the possibility of the existence of planets with Earth-like conditions. The exploration of Alpha Centauri began in the 20th century when Proxima Centauri was discovered as a star orbiting Alpha Centauri A and B. Since then, we have discovered several extrasolar planets in the system, including some that could be habitable. In 2016, a planet called Proxima b was discovered. We have a video of it on the channel. I'll leave it up here and in the description so you can watch it later. This planet orbits Proxima Centauri. Proxima b is slightly larger than Earth and is in the habitable zone of the system, which means it could harbor liquid water and life. The exploration of Alpha Centauri is focused not only on the search for extraterrestrial life, but also on the colonization of space. Humanity has been exploring space for decades, and one of the most important goals is to establish a human colony outside of Earth. The first mission to explore Alpha Centauri was launched in the 1970s when NASA sent a probe called Voyager 1. Although this probe was not designed to explore Alpha Centauri, its trajectory took it close to the star system. Later, in 2017, the Breakthrough Starship mission was launched, with the goal of developing a spacecraft capable of reaching Alpha Centauri in about 20 years. This mission is ambitious, but could be an important step toward establishing a human presence in the star system. Space exploration is not only about technology, but also about society and politics. The search for a new home for humanity poses many ethical and moral challenges, such as whether we have the right to colonize other planets or, as many of us believe, why not take care of our beloved Earth? Despite the challenges, the exploration of Alpha Centauri continues. NASA and other space agencies are working on projects to send probes and spacecraft to the star system. Investment in space exploration is increasing, and this gives us hope that we can achieve our goal of establishing a human colony on Alpha Centauri. One of the main challenges we face is the speed at which we can currently travel through space. The fastest we have achieved is about 40,000 kilometers per hour, which would mean it would take us about 70 years to reach Alpha Centauri. Another challenge is funding. Space exploration is very expensive and requires a large investment of resources. This has led to many space exploration projects being canceled or postponed due to lack of funding. Despite these challenges, humanity continues to move forward. Technology is advancing rapidly, and we are developing new ways to travel through space faster and more efficiently. Investment in space exploration also continues to grow, giving us hope that we can achieve our goal of establishing a human colony on Alpha Centauri. One of the most promising solutions is nuclear fusion. NASA and other space agencies are working to develop nuclear combustion engines that can propel spacecraft at much higher speeds than today. Another solution is hibernation. The idea is that astronauts would undergo cryogenic hibernation during the Voyager, which would reduce the need for supplies and allow the Voyager to last longer. The exploration of Alpha Centauri is a topic that makes us think about our place in the universe. What does it mean to be human, and what is our place in the history of the universe? The search for a new home for humanity makes us question our responsibility to the planet and to ourselves. In conclusion, Alpha Centauri is a very promising place to establish a human colony. Although we face many challenges, humanity is moving forward and developing new technologies and strategies to overcome them. Space exploration is a topic that makes us think about our place in the universe and our future as a species. What do you think about the possibility of colonizing Alpha Centauri? Do you think it is an important step for the future of humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments, give me a like, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos on space exploration and the search for alien life.